Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the highlights of a previous match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and select League. And then you should select Date at the top of the screen. And after that, select a particular match. You should wait a few seconds till it loads, and then you will be able to find this Gamecast section at the top. As you scroll down, you can see the game highlights section, including videos highlighting important moments from the match. If you tap on the All Highlights button, you can see all of the attached videos of the match that you can check out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.